Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, container data types are used to store and organize multiple elements. These data types play a crucial role in programming as they provide a way to group and manage related pieces of information. In this tutorial, we'll explore some of the most commonly used container data types in Python, including lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, along with code examples for each. A list is a versatile and mutable container that allows you to store an ordered collection of items. A tuple is an immutable container similar to a list, but once created, its elements cannot be changed. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. A dictionary is a key-value pair data structure that allows you to store and retrieve values based on a key. Container data types in Python provide a powerful way to organize and manipulate data. Whether you need an ordered collection, list, an immutable sequence, tuple, a set of unique elements, set, or a key-value pair mapping, dictionary, Python's container types offer flexibility and efficiency for a wide range of programming tasks. Understanding how to use these data types effectively is essential for writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code. ChatGPT